How long have you been watching TV? How long have you been watching TV?
About 10 hours. About 10 hours.
You need to get a job. You need to get a job.
Why? You and Dad make so much money. Why? You and Dad make so much money.
You can't just sit around all day. You can't just sit around all day.
But I'm not good at anything. But I'm not good at anything.
Everyone is good at something. Everyone is good at something.
Well, I'm good at watching TV. Well, I'm good at watching TV.
Why don't you become a TV critic? Why don't you become a TV critic?
I would love to watch TV and write reviews. I would love to watch TV and write reviews.
See, you are good at something. See, you are good at something.
Thanks, Mom. I'll start looking for jobs now. Thanks, Mom. I'll start looking for jobs now. I'm trying to find a job to pay for college. I'm trying to find a job to pay for college.
Good for you. Good for you.
Do you have a job right now? Do you have a job right now?
Yes, I am a waitress. Yes, I am a waitress.
Any tips on finding a part-time job? Any tips on finding a part-time job?
Be friendly, offer your resume, and dress nicely. Be friendly, offer your resume, and dress nicely.
I've done that so many times. I've done that so many times.
Sometimes companies don't need any employees. Sometimes companies don't need any employees.
How did you get your job? How did you get your job?
Just send applications and hope someone calls. Just send applications and hope someone calls.
So, is it based on luck? So, is it based on luck?
A little bit luck helps. A little bit luck helps. Before this interview starts, any questions? Before this interview starts, any questions?
Nope, I'm ready to go. Nope, I'm ready to go.
Okay, great. Tell me about yourself. Okay, great. Tell me about yourself.
I'm 35 years old with a degree in teaching. I'm 35 years old with a degree in teaching.
Why do you want to become a teacher? Why do you want to become a teacher?
I want to improve students' futures. I want to improve students' futures.
What subject would you like to teach? What subject would you like to teach?
I would love to teach science. I was a science teacher once. I would love to teach science. I was a science teacher once.
Interesting. What made you change jobs? Interesting. What made you change jobs?
Scientists don't really interact with kids. Scientists don't really interact with kids.
True. I'll call you back if I decide to hire you. True. I'll call you back if I decide to hire you.
Thanks. I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks. I hope to hear from you soon. What is your job? What is your job?
I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher.
What grade do you teach? What grade do you teach?
I teach ninth graders. I teach ninth graders.
Do you like your job? Do you like your job?
I hate it. I hate it.
What do you hate the most? What do you hate the most?
I hate that they never listen to me. I hate that they never listen to me.
You can always punish them. You can always punish them.
I hit them. I hit them.
You what? You what?
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
I'm trying to find a job and it's hard. I'm trying to find a job and it's hard.
I think it's because you have never worked before. I think it's because you have never worked before.
You're right. Employers like to see someone with experience. You're right. Employers like to see someone with experience.
That is unfortunate. That is unfortunate.
I can't get a job if no one will give me a chance. I can't get a job if no one will give me a chance.
Try to sell yourself. Try to sell yourself.
How am I going to do that? How am I going to do that?
Talk about your talents. Talk about your talents.
I can lick my nose. I can lick my nose.
Not that kind of talent. Not that kind of talent.
I'm the captain of the basketball team. I'm the captain of the basketball team.
There you go. Try mentioning that. There you go. Try mentioning that.